Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be the first video that I make on this channel since we're in Corona and I have literally nothing better to do except for start a YouTube channel answering OBS questions. So here we go. Real quick before we get into the video, I wanted to make sure all of you know I'm not an expert, by the way. I just know my way around the software a little bit. So first we're going to be talking about enabling audio. So I've found that people tend to have problems with this. Sometimes when OBS updates, OBS is said to have problems when it disables your microphone. So first we're going to figure out how to enable and disable your microphone and your desktop audio. So first off, real quick, we're going to also mention that the desktop audio or your mic audio, you don't have to go into settings and disable them or take down your source or anything, because honestly, you can just mute them. So it's not that big of a deal. If you're just not using it for the moment or if you want it to be quiet, you can just mute them or you can turn the volume up and down. So this is how to enable your audio. So first you're going to go into settings, then you're going to go into audio. You want to make sure that your desktop audio is on default instead of disabled. If it's on disabled, you're going to move it to default or any other thing that you have on here. If you want to enable your microphone, you're going to instead have it where it's disabled, you're going to click your microphone option. For me, I have a blue snowball microphone, so I'm going to use that. When you're done with these settings, you can click OK to apply them. Now recently, a friend of mine has been having problems where she couldn't have used her microphone for some reason. The tab wasn't showing up here and it was desktop audio and not mic and auxiliary, but desktop audio too, and we weren't sure why that was happening, but spoiler alert, we found out in the end that she just didn't have a built-in microphone to her computer, so obviously OBS wouldn't record on it and it just set up to desktop audio. If you're having this problem but you know for a fact that you have a built-in microphone, so what you're going to do for that is you're going to go over to sources, you're going to click add, and you're going to click audio input capture. So for this video, I'm not going to be clicking OK, but you're just going to go through this, you're going to name it whatever you want, you're going to make sure it says mic and auxiliary down here so that you get this tab that it's recording your mic and auxiliary. And you're going to click OK, and then you're going to make sure it's going to pop up with another window after this, and it's going to ask you for your device. What you're going to do for device is you're just going to scroll down and you're going to make sure that you have the proper audio recording on. So if you want to record from your computer, you're just going to click default. If you have a microphone that you want to use, you're going to choose that one. So for me, it's going to pop up with blue snowball. Then the source will come up here and a new audio tab will come on. If you have more questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. I will be doing more videos, so stay tuned for those. If you want to see anything specific, please let me know. I am going to be taking those comments very seriously. That's what I'm going to be basing my channel off of. Alright, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!